See, look at, watch. What is the difference? See means to notice something using your eyes. Look at means to direct your eyes at something or to focus on. Watch means to look at something for a period of time. Let's see some examples. I see your sister sometimes. Look at this picture and describe it. Let's watch a comedy movie today. Can you see that car? This is your homework. Fill in the blank. Please. Me when I'm speaking. Just simple English. Do or does. I do. You do. He does. She does. It does. We do. They do. Was or were. I was. You were. He was. She was. It was. We were. They were. Have or has. I have. You have. He has. She has. It has. We have. They have. Pay attention, pay interest, pay the price, pay the bill, pay a fine. Save time, save money, save energy, save a seat, save space. Come late, come early, come on time, come close, come again. Catch a cold, catch a ball, catch a thief, catch a glimpse, catch a bus. Just simple English. Subject pronouns, object pronouns, possessive adjectives. I, me, my. You, your. He, him, his. She, her. It, its. We, us, our. They, them, their. Directions in English. Turn right, turn left, go past, cross, next to, opposite, between, go straight, U-turn, zebra crossing. Hey guys, let's learn how to use at, in, on with time expressions. We use at with time. We use in with months, years, and seasons. We use on with days and dates. Let's learn some examples. Let's meet at 5:30 p.m. I was born in July. We woke up at 4 o'clock. We decided to meet on Friday. It rains a lot in spring. I graduated the school in 2013. He surprised me on my birthday. Present continuous, past continuous, future continuous. I am working. I was working. I will be working. You are sitting. You were sitting. You will be sitting. He is coming. He was coming. He will be coming. She is crying. She was crying. She will be crying. It is raining. It was raining. It will be raining. We are eating. We were eating. We will be eating. They are going. They were going. They will be going. Just simple English. Every day, daily. Every week, weekly. Every month, monthly. Every year, yearly. Let's see some examples. I run 30 minutes every day. Running 30 minutes is my daily task. I make a lot of plans every week. I usually make weekly plans. John spends $100 every month. $100 is John's monthly outcome. My sister prepares a report every year. Her yearly report is ready now. Just simple English. Common math symbols. Times, divided by, plus, minus, greater than, less than, equal to. Let's see some examples. 2 times 2 is equal to 4. 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4. 10 minus 7 is equal to 3. And here is your homework. Please write your answer on the comment section. Just simple English. Quite, quiet, quit. What is difference? Quite means very to absolutely. Quiet means calm, pacific, noiseless. Quit means stop working, give up, and finish. Let's see some examples. Please, be quiet. I'm working. We are quite busy today. If you don't like your job, just quit. I need quiet place to study. Let's quit this project. This is your homework. Fill in the blank. The movie was interesting. Just simple English. Subject to subject pronouns. My sister likes watching TV. She likes watching TV. My parents live in London. They live in London. John can speak 3 languages. He can speak 3 languages. My friend and I study together. We study together. Our cat is very fat. It is very fat. My videos will be useful for you. Who knows the answer? This is your homework. Just simple English. Like and as. What is difference? Like always comes before a noun or a pronoun, and it means similar to, the same as. As has 2 meanings. First, when it comes before subject plus verb, it means in the same way as. And when it comes before a noun, it means in the role of. For example, he speaks like a native speaker. My mom works as a doctor. I slept like a baby last night. As our teacher said, we should study hard. And this is your task. Fill in the blank. You can't find any teacher, me. Just simple English. Antonyms, positive and negative. It's beautiful. It's ugly. It's exciting. It's boring. It's natural. It's artificial. It's fast. It's slow. It's big. It's small. It's long. It's short. It's funny. It's sad. It's quiet. It's noisy. It's wide. It's narrow. It's alive. It's dead. It's kind. It's cruel. Just simple English.